Greetings, ant enthusiasts. Today we're delving into the intricate world of the Camponotus nicobarensis, a captivating ant species native to the Nicobar Islands, also known as the Nicobar Carpenter Ant. These ants exhibit fascinating behaviors and unique characteristics that make them stand out in the world of entomology. Nicobar Carpenter Ant is renowned for its polymorphic worker caste, showcasing a diversity of sizes and roles within the colony. These ants display a range of sizes within their colonies, with major workers being significantly larger than minor workers. Nicobar Carpenter Ant is known for its sleek black or dark brown coloration, along with the classic ant segmentation, including a distinct thorax and an abdomen. Their large, powerful mandibles are well adapted for various tasks, adding to their efficiency and colony activities. To thrive, the Nicobar Carpenter ant colonies require well-designed ant farms with appropriate nesting space, humidity, and temperature control. Offering a diverse diet including sugars and proteins is essential for their overall health. Ant keepers must ensure suitable conditions for the growth and development of the polymorphic worker caste. Consider providing various substrates, tunnels, and foraging areas. While ants don't interact with plants in the same way as some animals, creating a dynamic environment with different textures and structures can enhance their living space and stimulate natural behaviors. The Nicobar Carpenter ant is primarily kept for research purposes, educational initiatives, and the enjoyment of ant-keeping enthusiasts. Studying their complex social structures provides valuable insights into the ant behavior and ecology. Their polymorphic worker caste, efficient foraging methods, and complex social structure make them a cherished choice among ant enthusiasts. If you found this exploration intriguing, remember to give us a thumbs up, share your thoughts below, and subscribe for more insights into the fascinating world of animals. Until next time, may your ant-keeping adventures be filled with wonder, and may your Nicobar Carpenter ant bring a unique charm to your collection. Farewell and happy ant keeping.